for giving us a chance to meet you all. And second, I would like to thank you for attending this discussion. 2 days ago, when English teachers told the students that we will meet the third stage students in Raparin University, they were really shocked and surprised. They were really happy. For today, 3 of our students, they want to present a seminar about pollution in general, and I wish you enjoy it in public. And for next time, it is up to you if you like to have some competition like spelling, like guessing words, whatever you want, you can talk to them. Now, I'm gonna change my position to these English teachers, teacher Yan and teacher Shna. They have trained them.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hello guys, I'm very glad to see you here. We will start out by we will give our role to our students. We have a presentation first of all. Before the presentation, we have a warm up, and I will give the role to Eden now to do a warm up. Are you ready, Eden? Yeah, come on. How many students do you need from?
I need 6 girls and 6 boys.
But do you think that you have enough place to do it? Okay. 3 girls and 3 boys. It is okay, Ida? We change it?
Yeah.
Okay, choose them. You can free. You are free.
Okay, so who can tell me what's mean bank?
Top student. Yeah.
What about the river?
This is something like lake.
Okay, I know.
Yes.
What about no one knows what's mean bank?
Guys,
You know it?
We have so many of them. We have one at the country for
can you raise your voice? Sorry, in order
Yeah.
all of this.
yes, and we have one at the river.
Okay. So, bank. Today we are here to present a seminar about environment with my friends Daniel and Bahar. So tell me.
I get that human activity is the first reason to giving environment worse than before.
Making our environment polluted, and when we do these bad things, we don't have any good things that replace this thing, because every day we create a new factory, or we use lots of cars. That all of these things are polluting our environment. So as human beings, we are polluting our environment, and we do not do anything to stop this and to solve this problem.
Pollution. We have how many types of pollution? We have how many types of pollution? Air pollution, water pollution.
Very good.
Air pollution, it means, for example, in the factories, they make fire the things, and for the trees, it's bad. After those trees, they cannot give us energy.
Darin said, just like transportation. Conserve energy. For example, we have 20 lights here, and the sun is outside. I put away the curtain. What will happen? Any questions?
He said that if we had 20 lights here and the sun shine, okay? So what is better to do? Well, switching off the lights and put away the curtains. What will happen then?
Yes.
We have the sun and it's shining, so we don't need our light and the electricity to light our, for example, our room. The sun is already there, and we can put out the curtains and we can do this.
Yes, she's right. Thank you. And we have reuse, recycle, and reduce. Reuse, for example, if we have a flower, why we put away the flower? We bring a plastic and we put the flower on it until the flower will grow up. And recycle, and we have reduce. Reduce is just like conserve energy, and recycle is our environment. And we have using natural resources, like if we get a forest and we cut all the trees. We need tree, but we don't have to cut them because they are important for using natural resources. And thanks for attention, and thanks for listening.
Again, can you
SCI
SCHOOLEau. Okay. Can you tell me yours? Guys, it is okay. But if they didn't know a word, they can. It is better to spell it. Why not? Yeah. Till when can you tell me? SCHOOLEau. Is it correct?
Yes.
Okay, good. Very good. Thank you. Now it is your turn.
Recognition.
Recognition. Okay, tell me recognition. R-E-C-O. Recognition. Yeah, very good. Recognition. And yeah, I don't know. Okay. T-I-O-N. Yeah. Okay. Is it correct? The first one was correct. The first one was right? Okay, it means they know it. Thanks, abundance. This task will be over. Thank you so much. Clap for a book. I appreciate it.